The NHS Defence campaign in Shropshire has, for the last 2 years, been highlighting the need to keep both A&E services, full hospital services at both Telford and Shrewsbury, because of the Future Fit programme to reconfigure healthcare in the region. This is a financially driven austerity programme cutting close to £150 million in healthcare, and the consequences of such devastating cuts locally would be horrendous on all people in Shropshire. Over the weekend, we learned that key decisions had been taken to close the accident and emergency at the PRH in Telford and the Women's and Children's Centre, and also a cancer care centre at Shrewsbury Hospitals to close. I mean, completely outrageous. And we, the citizens and residents of Shropshire, are quite rightly angry about this, and we are determined to express that anger on Saturday the 1st of October, 11 a.m, Wellington Town Square. We'd like everyone to come along to the demo and basically to demand that both hospitals are kept fully equipped to service the needs of the population. The proposal to cut the accident and emergency services, amongst others, I mean, has to be. I mean, it's astronomical. To attempt to offer a service of over 650,000 people over 2,000 square miles, and asking people to make enormous journeys to distant hospitals. I know as a nurse, we was always told about the golden hour. We all were, weren't we? Well, that seems to have gone out the window now in terms of proposals that say there's now going to be no local accident and emergency services. This is devastating to people here, and it's just unacceptable because it's cost driven, it's not healthcare driven. It's remarkable that they could just throw away such massive investment in the Women's and Children's Centre and close it down. And it isn't as if these services are not essential. No one is going to these services and seeing that there's no one using them. They're all heavily used essential services, which it's just unacceptable. How are people expected to travel long distances like that is beyond me. And it's just these austerity-driven, cuts are just have to be resisted, because there's the impact is not just now, it's on all our children into the future. I'm very hopeful and confident that the people of Telford and the wider area of Shropshire will come out and protest this decision and these plans to cut these essential services. If people can turn up at 11 o'clock, and we'll be taking a short march up from Wellington Town Centre to the PRH Hospital, just a short walk of 15 minutes, and to demonstrate that we want our healthcare services kept local. They're essential and necessary, and people's lives will be put at risk if these services are cut. £150 million in cuts, completely unacceptable. I'm confident that this proposal to cut our essential services can be reversed. The anger of the people of Shropshire is palpable. The response we've had has been overwhelming, very short notice, but I'm hopeful and optimistic of a significant turnout and demonstration of people's frustration and anger and resistance to these cuts. And this is just part of a significant ongoing campaign of judicial review, of further demonstrations, of lobbying the MPs. We've had very effective petition gathering exercises, and we'd ask people to continue signing our petitions. That will be there available on Saturday and afterwards. And please get involved in the campaign. It's your service, it's your life. We all have a stake in this. Further information on this issue is on our website, shropshiredefendournhs.org, and we would ask people to get involved, keep in touch, and we can win this together.